Hello, Assalamu alaikum. A very good evening, students. This is Farid Khan with you, and today we are going to learn future simple tense. And the future simple tense is any action that has not happened yet. It will take place in future. So, without wasting time, let's get started with our session. Future simple. Future simple tense. All right. So future, first thing you require is a definition, of course, which I told you just now, definition. And the definition for this one, any action that is not happened yet. As it will take place in future. All right, any action that has not happened yet, it will take place in future. All right, so there are three different uses. All right, and we'll focus on the first two. So uses. Number one, going to. And going to we use for plan and intentions. When you are having plans, you will be doing something. So plan, just irada, just, it could be 50-50. Either you would do it or you would not do it. So I write it just for you, the irada, plan and intention. You use going to. The second use is present continuous. And present continuous we use when we are very much certain, we are very much sure, and we will be doing something. So we use present continuous, and we write it here, fixed arrangements. In Urdu you can call it pakka, when you are certain, when you are sure. And the third use is will. We'll be covering today the first two. All right, we'll put together so you will see the difference. So the first one, going to. Okay, the first thing we require when we are making any sentence of any tense is the structure, the formula, structure. And structure for this one is, for the going to is, first, of course, the first thing you require is the subject plus helping verb, is or am or are. You have to choose based on the subject. Okay, and third thing is going to, and then you have the verb, first form, and the object. Okay, we start generating of sentences. Going to, first thing you require the subject, accordingly helping verb, first form, and the object. Let's say I'm going to buy a car. You have this plan, just irada. I'm going to buy a car. I, and with the helping verb I am, and going to, and verb first form, buy a car. It could be 50-50. Either you will buy it or you will not buy it. Okay, so when you have intention, just irada, you use going to. Another example, she is helping verb, going to see the doctor. She's going to see the doctor. Okay, just she has this intention to go, that she would be seeing the doctor. Okay, it could be 50, either she would go or she would not, or she would go tomorrow or day after tomorrow or after 1 month. Another sentence, Martin is going to sell his house. So Martin has this intentions to sell out his house. So Martin is going, we use going because he is having this intention, So Martin is going to sell his house. Okay, so this is use of going to when you are not very much certain, and when you could go 50-50 either, so use going to. The second use is present continuous. All right. Present continuous is the fixed arrangements. When you are very much certain, you are very much sure that you would be doing something, you use present continuous. All right. You would be wondering, how come the present continuous in the future simple? You know, actually the present continuous tense, which we are using like continuous action in the present. Okay. Let's say I am playing. And when you're using the future simple, you just add up future time in it. So I am playing tomorrow. This becomes the future simple. All right. Okay. So here the structure is subject plus helping verb, that is or am or are, and then we have to use the verb ing form, like simple present continuous. But here the difference, what is making difference is the future time. When you add the future time, and then this becomes the future simple. Okay, so what we will do, we'll put all these examples here so you can able to distinguish the difference as well. All right, let's say in going to, when you have this intention, the irada, use going to. I am going to buy a car. How you convert to this one in the present continuous? Okay, so I subject, you just put it here, and what you do is for subject I am, verb ing form. I am buy becomes buying. I am buying a car. Future time on Friday. On Friday. So it means you are sure, because you are saying on Friday, it means something already you did some down payment, you have chosen the car, you need to go to the showroom on Friday and you will do the remaining payment and you will take your car. So like that. You see the difference? So here you is going to, this is just intentions, you have plans, but here you are sure, you are certain. This is the difference. Okay. She is going to see the doctor. Subject, she is, verb ing form. See becomes seeing. She is seeing the doctor. The doctor at 5 p.m. It means she already called the secretary of the doctor and she has taken the time and she will be, so she is certain she will show. So she is going to see the doctor at 5, so itself it shows that the action will take place certainly. All right. The third one. Martin is going to sell his house. And when you say in the present continuous tense, so you will say Martin is, verb ing form. Sell becomes selling his house on 5th of June. You see, 2026. So Martin is selling his house on 5th of June. It means he's giving the time, so he's sure that he's selling out his house. So this is the difference which we have learned going to and the present continuous in the future simple tense. All right, guys. So inshallah, catch you up tomorrow with the use of will. All right. Till then, take care of yourself. Good night.